It's evening time and we are going for the evening cruise on Seine River. Just the base of the Eiffel Tower, there are many cruising companies, but we took the Beatrix Parisian cruise.
Okay, this one is with audio guide.
This one is with audio guide, right? With audio guide.
She knows you're a celebrity.
So you got the tickets?
3 tickets! We got 3 tickets! Just as usual.
So we are getting inside and it will start in 15 minutes. So we purchased the tickets from the counter and scanned the tickets over there, and now we are standing in a line for the cruise to start at 6.
I wish you an excellent cruise. Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, bienvenidos a bordo de vuestro Elysees. A lo largo de este recorrido saldremos bajo 22 puentes y descubriremos los principales monumentos de París.
I will now, the river cruise has started and now I will start listening the audio guide. Along the river banks, we saw many old monuments and buildings of Paris. The cold wind and the sun rays made our cruising pleasant and wonderful.
If you want to get the best view of Paris at all times with a reasonable travel price, this type of batu bus is the best. You can hop on, hop off anywhere you like. The ticket is valid for the whole day. As we were cruising, we passed an island, and there was the Notre Dame Cathedral. It is dedicated to the Virgin Mary. It has the finest Gothic architecture. Coronation of Napoleon I took place here. On April 2019, the roof of it caught fire. Now it is under renovation and it is presumed to open in December 2023. We saw many localites and tourists sitting by the river hanging around. We wished to hang around too, but schedule was too tight and so many things to cover in Paris. This time didn't happen, but next time would surely try.
We saw the Louvre from the sea. Oh, by the way, please do check out our blog on Wednesday too. Link is given in the description box.
Next day was our Eiffel tour. A detailed video of it is coming very soon, so please be tuned. We went to the top floor. It is an icon for real. We came back to the starting point from where we started our cruise, and it was time for us to visit ARC de Triomphe. ARC de Triomphe stands on the western end of the Champs-Élysées. It is built in honor of those who fought and died during French Revolution and Napoleonic War. We didn't go up, but one can access on foot, by a staircase or by lift till attic room. And from there 46 more steps will take you to the terrace. To book tickets, link is given in the description box. And on certain days, it is free. Of course, you can go upstairs. That is on the first day of January, February, March, November, and December. Champs-Élysées, 1.9-kilometer long running between the Place de la Concorde to Arc de Triomphe, is a must visit. For me, it was a dream come true. The big branded shops, what on there? Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, Chanel, everything is there. I thought of staying there and walking, do a lot of window shopping, but it was becoming chilly out here, and then we headed back to our hotel.
We hope you are enjoying our vlogs and finding it informational. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. 3tickets is signing off.